Cheers from Kata Beach in Phuket, Thailand. I just had my coconut drink from an actual coconut actually. So drinking the coconut water. This one here costs 30 bucks, which is equivalent to 88 cents of a US dollar. So less than a dollar. That is around 84 cents of a euro and around 9.5 Swedish crowns. So that's a bargain. That's a bargain indeed. And it is day 11 of my beach adventures in paradise here in Thailand. And today I decided to go to Kata Beach as I feel a lot better than the previous day, as I had a bit of diarrhea from the lunch I had on the boat trip when I visited Fifi Islands and the beautiful Maya Bay and many other beautiful places like the Blue Lagoon. So this is the beach that I was a few days ago, actually one of the first few days, and back then it was super clouded mostly, but now the sun is up and I am about to show the beautiful side of this beach. I have been walking across this whole beach on the last time I was here. I will gonna do that today as well. There are also some nice boats here that I took pictures of last time. But it's gonna be yet another beautiful day on the beach. We have 31 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and it is basically perfect. I'm gonna try to find some shadow over there as well. And here towards the end of the beach there is not so much people, as there are less sunbeds as well, but it is the same beautiful sea. That is not the case with the other end of the beach, where they have also some artificial surfing on a very tiny spot, but it's alright. So cheers from Kata Beach, Phuket, as I prepare for my swim and to find a nice place to put my stuff and get a nice picture as well from today, 23rd of December. I just can't believe that Christmas Eve is tomorrow and I am celebrating it with a coconut drink on the beach. So yeah, now let's get ready for a swim at Kata Beach. And it's time to take a swim in Kata Beach, the first one for today on this day 11 of my Thailand vacation on this December 23rd, one day before Christmas Eve. And this is how it looks like in paradise to escape the Swedish winter. Here we have some of the cool boats, scenic boats that you can take to some of the other islands. And this is towards the end of the beach, and there are even some sunbeds. And on that side over the end, I think that the sea connects to one of the rivers that doesn't smell that good, so I opted to bathe a bit further from there, as it's there it didn't smell that good, but here it is super fine and there are many people that are swimming. So let's get going and enjoy a nice swim. So I haven't measured the sea temperature yet. I'm only using the satellite measurements, which are always around 29. They have been between 29.0 and 29.5. I think that today is the same. I will double check later for that. You can see how the water is, and it is very shallow at the beginning, but let me show you also the boats from so far as well. They're quite scenic and interesting. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. What a beautiful view, right? And the color of the water looks so amazing, both on the camera and in real life as well. Alright, so with this wonderful view from Kata Beach, it's time for us to take the first swim for today. Oh, it's Monday. It's Monday, but it's a good thing that it's that when you're on vacation, you don't know, you don't, you're not aware what day is it. So that's one good thing about vacation. So let's then dive in. That is so amazing paradise. The beach is long, around maybe less than 2 kilometers. Uh, I was walking along the whole beach last time. I might do it later as well. So Kata Beach is just from my hotel. It's 2.5 kilometers, and it's basically Kata Beach starts around that hill over there. So it's very close by, and you can visit both of the beaches if you're staying in one of these villages. Even by walk, you don't even take any transportation. So that is a wrap from Kata Beach, the first episode for today. Let's see if we're gonna have a few more later. But I will be chilling on the beach this full day, as currently it is 12:30 and the sun will set in less than 6 hours. So that's plenty of time for me to enjoy. And I realized that I haven't been sunbathing that much. So maybe now is the time to get some tan, as I have only 4 days left now before I go back to Sweden. Uh, that's a wrap from Kata Beach. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.